Hello everybody and welcome to PixMux Tuts. Today I'm going to show you how to change your default web browser. Typically a new install of Windows on a new computer will use Edge as the default browser. A lot of people prefer to use something like Google Chrome or Firefox. Let's jump right into it. So here on my Tut practice machine and tutorial machine, I'm going to go down to the bottom left hand corner and I'm going to type in default. And you can see there's a selection here that says choose a default web browser. It's under the system settings. Click that. And down here where it says web browser, you just click it. You can choose whatever default web browser you'd like to use. I'm going to choose Chrome and close that. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching another episode of PixMux Tuts. Please remember to like and subscribe. Also, check out my other videos on OBS Studio and software installs. Thank you for watching. Peace.